Alright, hey guys. So today I've got a very special treat. It's not every day I can find something this cool. Um, so I've been wanting one of these fans for a very long time, ever since I found out about their existence. Or I guess since I started collecting, really. Um, I actually have a variant of this fan that I actually had been wanting for quite a while too, so I'm kind of happy to get that, but much happier to find these. Um, it's arguably one of the coolest industrials ever made. So, yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna go get it. Pretty much open. I'll go with this one. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's new in the box too. I don't know how I can do this, but the whole thing's in the frame. Well, I guess you'll just have to kind of bear with me here, because it's, I mean, there's not really any way of doing it. Yeah. I don't know what happened here. I don't think it's totally mice. I think it's just part of the box kind of fell apart. So we'll get a look on how it looks right after you open it, because it was pretty cool. Some of the stuff is moved around, but this is kind of how it's all put in there. I think, yeah, I'm gonna put the box on the ground and then take everything out that way. Whoa! Don't want to knock anything over. So we got our J-Hug. This mounts in like commercial settings, obviously. Mounts to the lower joist. Got our blades. Kind of dirty from sitting for 40 years, but pretty cool. Some directions here they are. So as you can see, this is kind of how they're supposed to mount. Two washers go, or one washer goes on top, one goes on bottom, with a nut and a lock ring on each side. And that's supposed to secure it, and then obviously you plug into your junction box, which is supposed to be somewhere nearby. I don't think they said you couldn't use an extension cord if you didn't wanted to. Interesting, I didn't even notice it says CB18 or C18. It does have a cord, obviously. Another thing I'll mention is that there is no control in the box. Back then, I don't know about now, but I know back then they didn't include controls because they intended on you actually, buying your own. Because typically you were getting multiple fans, and it'd be kind of redundant to have 10 controls for 10 different fans. You usually just put them all in one thing. So anyways, here's our fan. Pretty cool. I don't know if it actually says Enviro fan. No, it doesn't. Yeah, no, it doesn't. Okay. Yeah, I know something old. Oh wait, yeah, it does. Oh, I was spinning the motor. I'm an idiot. Yeah, there it is. So 40 years later, and this thing is finally coming out of its packaging. Boy, is that a glorious sight to see or what? 1979 Northwest Envirofan Gold Line, new in its original box. Unused, obviously, because it's in the box. Yeah, I don't think anyone really listens to that. See the year right there. 0.9 amps. Couple scuffs on the downer, but that's about it. Shoot, yeah, it's a little stiff, obviously, from sitting for literally 40 years, but wow, this is quite cool. So, yeah, I guess this will be my mess for today. I'm gonna hang this up and test it, obviously. Get the blades unwrapped as well. Stick this back here. I want to see if there's a way where I can do this so I don't ruin everything, but I think that's probably not going to happen. It might. Yeah, I kind of want to wrap everything back up. I don't actually intend on using this because I kind of have a rule where if I find something new in box, I don't really want to use it. You know, it's been sitting new in box for all these years already. Might as well keep it going, right? Yeah, alright. We'll unwrap one blade for now, I guess, because I want to be able to get this back and I don't want to rush anything. So yeah, they are a little dirty. But yeah, these are much wider than the newer blades. And the ones that I have even aren't the narrowest ones. I think they have even narrower ones now with not quite as much, curve. But yeah, anyways, there's my new Unboxed Northwest Envirofan Gold Line. I do hope you guys enjoyed, and as always, thanks for watching.